Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jeremy here. Today what I'm going to show you is I'm on the side where we do all our undercoating and everything. So I'm going to show you today what we do, take you through a process on a truck. This is a nice truck for it because the frame, it's an older Chevy here. I got to look at the year. But guy uses it for salt spraying and plowing. So this will be a nice truck to go ahead and show you what all we do, show you the frame on it and walk you through step by step. So I'm gonna start the process. I'll take you down here. The shirt you see here, it's our long sleeve tees. This is gonna be coming on pretty soon here. Obviously I don't have anything on printed on it right now, simply because they were trying a bunch of them out. We finally have it. Like I said, it's our own brand coming in, so I'm super excited about that. So just quick plug on that there. But I'm gonna go ahead and spin this around and we're gonna start the process of walking you through and showing you what we do and what the product is and how it's going to cover this vehicle. All right, well, it's an 07 Chevy and guy uses it for plowing. Got some stuff redone on it, but I want to show you down in the frame there, see if we can get down in there what it looks like, and then I'm going to take you underneath here and we will I'll get it put up in the air. But there's some spraying we do. Obviously you see some overspray, some body work and stuff that was going on. No, on this one we're gonna do a little bit different of spraying on it. I'll take it back here in the wheel wells so you can see the frame and what it looks like. And we'll show you this process when it's all done. Like I said, in this wheel well, typically on most vehicles we clean the wheel wells because you're bringing it in to get it cleaned because we mandate that you get a cleaning with it when we do the undercoating, simply because with this, now this is gonna get all taped off. It's gotta get the coat put over top of it. We're gonna go through that process. I'd like to film it, but it gets pretty crappy in here. So we'll have to do it, the filming in between after we do some spraying and stuff. We'll bring it back, show you what we're gonna have done. The reason I don't want the overspray getting on all the camera and everything here. So yeah, this is gonna get a little bit different. Like I said, in the wheel wells here, typically we leave that go. We don't spray. We spray up inside the wheel wells and the bed wells, inside the panels on the door. Now this one, we did the panels in the door. We did the front clip here, the hood and all that. But when I tell you we don't spray inside the panels, typically we spray inside here. But I'm gonna put our heavier coating on this simply because it's a plow truck. He's not too concerned about how appearance on it. So we're gonna do, mostly this is gonna get done for prevention. But on your typical one inside the wheel well here, we're gonna spray up inside these areas, but we're not going to black it out like we do the frame with the heavier coating, simply because you're bringing it back into us once a year to get touched up, to get cleaned. A lot of our vehicles are getting a ceramic coating on them, so we go through that process and get that taken care of. So I'm gonna shut this down. We're gonna do some spraying here, then I'll bring it back and show you. And then when it's up in the air, we'll do some spraying and give you some more ideas of what we do and how it looks when it's all done. So we're gonna keep coming back and showing you different parts as we get them done. All right, so we got the, I'm gonna walk through here. We got the wheel wells done in there. So I'm gonna take you in, let you see that. So we're gonna get those areas sprayed off. And like I said, on this one, it's a little different. It's a plow truck. Now, this is a wax-based coating. It's not rubberized. If you scratch it with your fingers, you'll eventually get through it. But I can take my pressure washer once this sets up, when we go to clean it, and pressure wash this, and this isn't coming off. Now, in saying that, it's protecting. It's not lanolin based. It's not the wool wax. It's not fluid film. It's not Crown. It's not any of those name brand ones. This product comes out of Canada. It is a process to put on. And once we're done, we go through a whole cleaning process. I'll walk over to here. But like I said, on these wheel wells, typically we don't do this, but this is a plow truck, and that's all he uses it for. So we're doing our best to protect that. But I wanted to show you, this is the first step in getting that part all done. We'll get it lifted up here and I will go through the underside with you, walk through that and let you see that before we start spraying that. And then we'll get you an after of this. But there again, it's a wax-based product that has all the additives in it for rust prevention. It stays on way better, way longer. The first time application's somewhat expensive, and then we recommend a yearly one just to touch up spots that may get a little more wear in them. But our touch up yearly is kind of insignificant. At the end of the process, if we took it 5 years, we have a truck that's not going to be rusted, it's not going to be corroded, and that's why you see a lot of our newer vehicles coming in, trucks especially, SUVs, getting this done. When they come in, we get them, the first process on a typical half-ton truck is $250 and $50 for the wash. That's what we charge. It's not, like I said, we tape all this off now. This will get all covered up, and we'll go ahead and get it sprayed, and then it gets a wash process, decontamination process on the vehicle, and we put our UV protectant on there. And that's what we do with that $50 wash that we mandate you get. So yes, on a typical half-ton truck, you're looking at, for the first application, $250 for the application and $50 for the wash. After that, you're looking at $100 a year, and then $50 for the wash, so you're at $150. At the end of 5 years, we're cheaper than anybody out there with better protection. It's taken me a long time. We used to spray the fluid film. It's taken me a long time to find this product to get to this point where this is the only thing we're doing now. We're not offering, there again, all the panels get done with a product made by the same company, but it's able to seep through the panels a little more. It's not as permanent as this product here, but it's all waxed and oil-based product. So I just wanted to go over that with you, and we'll go ahead and get you, bring you back when we're ready. All right, we got this truck up in the air. I'll just walk around it here so that you're able to see the underside. You can see where we've coated already back up in there, but I'll move real slow here so this keeps up. So we're gonna get all this coated now. You can see what we've got coated there. We'll walk around this. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll start the process of getting all the frame done, and then we'll move on to the panels and get up in the panel area done with our clear. But this will give you an idea of what it looks like before, and then exactly, like I said, it's a matter of, we're gonna bring this back down. We gotta tape it all off, but I just wanted to get it up there to show you. We'll bring this back down, get it all taped off, and then we'll show it to you when we're all done and what it looks like when it's finally coated. All right, everyone. All right, plow truck's all finished being sprayed up. So I'm gonna just walk you around and show you here. Grab a little light, see if we can help this out a little bit and show you so now the frame's all coated. And that'll somewhat set up, and I'll show you on give you an idea here. I'll show you on a one of our lids here what that when it's set up, what it does. Now on the lid it's a lot thicker. So we'll walk around here. Inside the panels here. Up inside there. It's all coated with our clear, which obviously you're not gonna see like you do our black on the rusted frame. So that definitely gives you an idea of how this finishes out. And that's our wax-based coating, folks. We've taken the plastic off of it. It'll go in to get its cleaning process done now. Get everything all cleaned up on the outside and get washed down. But let me walk you over here to one of our buckets. I'll grab this lid right here. And you can see that's what it is, and that's how it looks. As you can see, I had a boo-boo on our wall over here. So once it's on, it's on. So that gives you an idea, everyone, of how the process goes. Like I said, it's gonna get lowered down now again. Now that we got the plastic off of it and everything, we'll take it over to our wash bay side. We'll get it all washed up and get a UV protectant placed on it. And this truck will be ready to go. If you're interested in this, like I said, give us a call at the Detailing Studios, 724-866-6436. This is the product we recommend. It is a process to get it on, but in the end, after all the research we've done, everything we've used to try and go through, this is what we put on. Like I said, I try to use what I feel is the best. To other people, it may not be, but it's just like our Undercoat line and the P&S detailing line. It's what I feel is the best product. There again, opinions vary. So I'm telling you from my experience and what we've used and what we've seen on our vehicles, this is it. You want a protection from top to bottom, go with our Undercoat ceramic coating and go with our undercoating here. All right, everyone.